Central Iowa. Stand by.
277. Yeah,
125. Switched over to the trans, and I want to do, you're on frequency always, I want to do one to
Stand by, you always touch it like you're in your right.
we can't take off at some
Yep, that's it.
837 Alabama, 1125 in Central New Mexico.
Have a great rest of your weekend, 73.
Northwest Oregon, 726, waving.
Hey, there's some guys out there that like the long Roger beef.
Yeah, I haven't detected too many radio Nazis today.
Northwest Oregon, 726, waving.
Learning about all about Abraham Lincoln, very television.
The M2 microphones that Patrick was talking about the other day.
The Delta one, I picked up.
Northwest Oregon, 726, waving a hand.
I appreciate that. By the way, it's 416-416. Oh, 416. Okay, we got it that time. And what was the name there? My name's Fred. It's Foxtrot Romeo Echo Delta. Fred. Hey, that's pretty cool.
How's that weather holding up for you up here? You tired of the cold yet?
No, actually, I've been hoping that we'd get more snow.
It's weird, Brad, that 3 days ago was our very first snowfall here in Minneapolis. We haven't had any snow yet. What? Yeah, that's kind of crazy. I haven't seen snow down here in 8 years. Yeah, it's been a warm one too, you know.
Northwest Oregon, 726, waving.
Well, let's see how this works. Dang.